All right, today we're gonna bring some heated socks. Now, this is perfect for all types of weather. It doesn't have to be even cold too. You could just wear them as is. Now, they do come with 2 batteries, a bag, and the charging station, and the actual place to place the battery and the actual button to turn them on and off, and they actually heat up throughout the whole thing. Now, these are not to be washed in the washing machine. They're supposed to be hand wash. So this is the left hand, and then of course these are the right hand. Now, on the left hand leg, the pocket, it's supposed to be on the left hand, so you can actually put it in here, and the button is supposed to be on the outside. Right? Regarding the batteries, the Type C charging station, you hit the button and it tells you how much charge you have to. Battery goes in a little pouch. You could button up if you want. The plug is on the side for this one, right? This is the charging station and the power button. All right, these are the socks. You guys can see them. So we're gonna turn them on. Make sure you turn it on first. Power it on, 1, 2, 3, and then power the button. See the changing color? That's red, it's on. Do the same thing here. Power it on. All right, right now we have it on the highest mode, but you have 3 modes. You got blue, green, and of course red. All right, so we're gonna wait to it to heat up, and I feel it warming up right now. I'm gonna show you with thermal camera. All right, I can feel them getting hot in this part right here. You guys can see it on the camera. On the top, I don't see anything on the top. It's only on the bottom. So they're heating up right here in this part right here. I can feel them warm. Let me see if I could show you guys a little bit from the top view. And this is pretty much what you're looking at, right? Nothing on the top, really. It's all within the actual feet of it. So they're warming up. They're getting nice and warm right here in this part. I feel it all around on the 2 legs, of course. So that's what you're looking at right now. Nice and warm here. So they're heating up right in the toe too. Right here. Goes all around here. That's pretty much it. So